Hi, my dear students. We have been discussing the chapter triangles. In the previous class, we have discussed some criteria of congruence triangles. Okay, we have already discussed the SAS criteria and ASA criteria for congruent triangles. In a congruent triangles, the corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. What is SAS criteria? SAS criteria means two sides. Two sides and included angle is equal to another two sides and included angle of another triangle. Then the two triangles are congruent. Then what is ASA congruence rule? In two triangles, if in a triangle, two angles and included side are equal to two angles and included side to another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Okay, SAS congruence rule is same as to AAS congruence rule. We need we get some two angles and one side is equal to two angles and one side to another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Okay. Now today let us discuss some properties of triangles. Okay, you know that an isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? If in a triangle two sides are equal, then the triangle is called isosceles triangle. Okay, then the theorem 7.2 says that angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. What is theorem 7.2? Angles equal to angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, we need to study the proof also. But the theorem says that given that a triangle, an isosceles triangle, then we need to prove that the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So given that a triangle ABC, AB and AC are equal sides, we need to prove that angle B equal to angle C. Prove that angle B is equal to angle C. For that, draw an angle bisector of angle A to BC intersect at a point D. Draw a angle bisector of angle A. Angle bisector of angle A. Okay, what is mean by angle bisector? Angle bisector means this AD, the line segment AD divides the angle A equally. Okay, so we got two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle ACD. First we need to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Consider the triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Okay. In triangle ABD and ACD, AB is equal to AC. Given AB is equal to AC. Then angle BAD equal to angle CAD. Angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Why? AD is the angle bisector. AD is the angle bisector of angle A. Angle bisector of angle A. Then AD equal to AD. AD is the common side of two triangles. So AD is equal to AD common side. Therefore, we got two sides and included angle. So we can say that triangle ABD congruent triangle. Here, how can we this is the congruent triangle. Here triangle ABD congruent triangle. Here angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. So in the first position is A. Okay. Then Then AB equal to AC. So AB equal to AC. Then AD is equal to AD equal to AD. We got AD is equal to AD. So triangle ABD congruent triangle ACD. SAS congruent rule. Okay. Then therefore angle B equal to angle CY. CPCT corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay, therefore angle B is equal to angle C. The angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Angle B is opposite to angle C, side AC. Angle C is opposite to side AB. So we got angle B is equal to angle C. Okay. Therefore the theorem says that angle opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. Okay. Then theorem 7.3 says that the sides opposite to equal angles are equal. The converse of that theorem. The sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay. Next, let us discuss some problems. First one, in triangle ABC, the bisector AD of angle A is perpendicular to side BC at D. Okay. Show that AB equal to AC and the triangle ABC is isosceles. We need to show that triangle AB is equal to AC and the triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. But given that AD is the angle bisector of angle A, then AD is also perpendicular to BC, perpendicular to side BC. Then we need to prove that AB is equal to AC. So let us consider the triangle ABD and ACD. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Okay, given that AD is the angle bisector of angle A, so angle BAD equal to angle CAD. Angle BAD equal to angle CAD, given and AD is the angle bisector. Of angle A. Then also given that AD is perpendicular to side BC. So the angle ADB equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. Why? AD perpendicular to BC. Okay, then AD equal to AD. AD is the common side of the two triangles. AD is equal to common side. So we got two sides and two angles and included side is equal to two sides and included angle of other triangle. So these two triangles are congruent. Triangle ABD congruent. Listen, A is equal to angle A. So here write A. Then angle ADB is equal to ADC. AD ഇവിടെ വരും. Then C in center. triangle ABD congruent triangle ACD. Which rule? ASA congruence rule. Okay. Therefore AB equal to AC. CPCT. AB is equal to AC. Therefore, in a triangle, two sides are equal, then it is a isosceles triangle. Therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay. Next question. E and F are respectively the midpoints of side AB and AC of equal sides AB and AC of triangle ABC. Show that BF is equal to CE. BF is equal to CE. Show that BF is equal to CE. Given that a triangle with equal sides AB and AC, E and F are the midpoints of AB and AC, then we need to prove that BF equal to CF. So consider the triangle ABF and ACE. We need to find BF and CE. So we take the triangle ABF and ACE. Okay, ABF and ACE. In triangle ABF and triangle ACE, here given that AB equal to AC, first write AB equal to AC given. AB is equal to AC given. Then AF equal to AE. AF is the side in triangle ABF. AE is a side in triangle ACF. AF equal to AEY. Given that E and F are the midpoints of AB and AC, also given that AB and AC are equal. So two sides are equal, then their half are also equal. So AE is equal to AF is equal to AE. AF is equal to AE. Okay. Then angle A. Angle A is common angle of two triangles ABF and CAE. CAE-ലും angle A ഇത് തന്നെയാണ്. അതുപോലെ angle BAF-ലും angle A ഇത് തന്നെയാണ് അല്ലേ. So angle A equal to angle A common. Angle A is equal to angle A common. Okay, therefore triangle ABF congruent triangle AB is equal to AC. ACE. ABF is equal to ACE. Therefore BF is equal to CE CPCT. BF is equal to CE CPCT. Okay. Next question. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC, D and E are points on BC such that B is equal to CD. Show that AD equal to AE. Given that an isosceles triangle with the equal sides AB and AC, then D and E are points on the side BC. Then also given that BE is equal to CD. BE equal to CD. Then we need to prove that BD equal to EC. BD equal to EC. We need BD and EC. So take the triangles ADB and ACE. We need BD and EC. So we take the triangle ABD and ACE. Okay. In triangle ABD and ACE, in triangle ABD and triangle ACE. Okay. Given that AB is equal to AC, so first write AB equal to AC. AB is equal to AC given. Okay. AB is equal to AC given. Then look at the figure. Triangle ABC is the whole triangle. That sides AB and AC are equal. In the theorem, we have learned in the theorem the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. The angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Here AB and AC are equal. So the angle opposite to the side AB and AC are also equal. That is angle B equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle C. Why? Theorem 7.2. 7.2. angle opposite to equal sides are equals. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. Then given that BE equal to CD. So first write BD is equal to E. BE is equal to CD. BE is equal to CD. Given that BE is equal to CD. But in our triangle we need BD and EC. We need ഞാൻ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഈ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ എന്താ പറഞ്ഞത്, നമുക്ക് ബി ഡി ഈസി അല്ല കേട്ടോ പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. എന്താണ് എ ഡി എ ഇ ആണ് നമുക്ക് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. എ ഡി is equal to, we need to prove that AD is equal to AE. So we take the triangle ABD and ACE. Okay. Then given that in the question given that B is equal to CD, but in our triangle the side we need the side BD and CE. Look at the figure. BE and CD. In the part BE and CD, DE is the common part of BE and CD. So remove the portion DE. Okay. So BE minus DE is equal to CD minus DE. അപ്പോൾ BE-യിൽ നിന്നും DE പോയാൽ എന്ത് സംഭവിക്കും? നമുക്ക് എന്ത് കിട്ടും? BD. BE-യിൽ നിന്ന് BE എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ മുതൽ ഇവിടെ വരെ DE ഈ പോർഷൻ പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ബാക്കി BD. അപ്പോൾ BD is equal to, then from CD remove DE, we got CE. But we got BD is equal to CE. In triangle ABD and ACE, we got AB is equal to AC, BD is equal to CE, angle B is equal to angle C. That is two sides and included angle, two sides and included angle. So by the SAS congruence rule, we can say that triangle ABD congruent, triangle BD equal to C. AB is equal to AC ആണ്. AB is equal to AC ആണ് വേണ്ടത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ here A, അപ്പോൾ ACE, ACE, BD is equal to CE. ഒക്കെ ക്ലിയർ ആണ്. Therefore by SAS congruence rule, triangle ABD congruent, triangle ACE. Therefore AD equal to AE. AD equal to AE. Corresponding sides AD is equal to AE. CP, CT. Okay. Therefore AD is equal to AE. Okay.